Salut! Listening to the radio is a great way to learn French. It's easy, you can listen when you're running, driving or even cooking. It's also good French to listen to. People on the radio will speak just as fast as French people do in our everyday lives, but they also have to speak more clearly than we usually do, which might help get your ear tuned. Finally, it can also include high-quality content, interviews, good music, conversations, but it depends on which radio channel you're listening to. And today, we're going to explore all the best ones. For all of these radio channels, I will leave a link on my blog below the video to their website so that you can quickly listen to them online. I'm Géraldine. Bienvenue to Commune Française TV. Sound French even to the French. Let's dive in. FIP used to mean France Inter Paris, but now it's just their name without any associated acronym, FIP. FIP is one small radio under the umbrella of Radio France, the public group of French radio. And FIP is the best radio channel in the world. Yes, that's Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter, agreeing with me right there. So, why is it the best? Well, first of all, the music is incredible. It has always great playlists. Not the usual mainstream hit songs here. They only pick underground gems and good things from all over the world. You will discover a ton of new favorites in just a few minutes of listening. Just go to their website right now. You will find a link under this video on the blog. Besides the music, they also have a few cultural talk shows in French and also more general news flashes without la publicité or la pub, advertisements or ads. FIP is famous for only hiring smooth French voices, most of them women. They will definitely help you relax and smile. On a lower level, a good radio for music and smooth French talking would be Radio Nova. Their ads are a bit annoying, but the podcasts on YouTube are great. RFI means Radio France Internationale. It's the international branch of the public radio in France. RFI can be listened to all over the world, especially in Africa, and not only on the internet. They broadcast in French and 14 other languages too in more than 60 countries, and it's a great tool for you to listen to more French. They have some really good free podcasts, bilingual features to help you learn French, and actual French lessons as well. As usual, I will leave the link in the video description. France Inter is the main public French radio channel. It's somewhat directed at the left-leaning educated middle and upper classes. You will find shows about music, politics, jokes, culture issues, the environment, game shows, and much more. It's une radio emblématique, an iconic radio channel. France Inter has some long-running broadcasts and equally famous moments. I grew up listening to these voices, and the radio channel is still very dear to my heart. You might also be interested by France Culture, which is the even higher brow version of France Inter. Rire et Chanson, or literally laughs and songs, is the first private radio channel on this list. It's also the most popular French comedy radio. You will hear jokes, stand-ups, and various skits taken from all the French comedians across the decades. They broadcast acts from up-and-coming humorists as well as older and very famous comedians such as Coluche, for instance. They have lots of ads and their music choices don't take any risks, but they're also much less highbrow than the previous public radios. And they're another angle to use to get into French culture. On the comedy front, I should probably add something about Une émission, a show that has been going on for 40 years, Les Grosses Têtes, or the Big Heads, on the privately owned radio RTL, RTL. It's another popular institution in France. Nostalgie. Nostalgie is a music radio channel privately owned whose name means nostalgia. Of course, it only broadcasts all the songs from French international singers from the 70s and the 80s. Not all of it is good, but it's a very, very good way to learn some classic French songs, the one that every French person will have heard, even if they didn't really mean to. Another radio channel to help you get into these classic French songs is a smaller Chante France. Chante France. If you really want to listen to mainstream French music or radio, you might try the bigger radios such as Énergie, Fun Radio, or the more rap-oriented Skyrock. They mostly broadcast American songs, but don't worry, the law in France mandates that 40% of radio songs have to be in French, so you will hear many, many French songs as well. Just before turning back to FIP. Et toi, what's your favorite radio channel? Tell me in the comment section, I would love to hear from you. If you're on YouTube, you will find the link below this video to the blog communefrancaise.com. On the site, I read all the comments and answer all your questions as well. Want more, like an exclusive lesson on how to react when you don't understand a word in a French conversation? Subscribe now to join my everyday French crash course. It's a free 10-day mini course to sound French even to the French. It's super easy to join. Leave me your first name and your email and you will receive lesson 1 immediately. Best of all, it's free. Merci for watching Comme une Française TV, sound French even to the French. Allez, salut!